Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? To start, gather a pound of mixed seafood. Cook it until it's just done, then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Place the seafood in a large mixing bowl and set it aside. In a separate, smaller bowl, create the dressing. Whisk together half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. The result should be a creamy and tangy mixture that will serve as the perfect complement to your seafood. Next, pour this dressing over your chopped seafood. Toss gently, making sure every morsel is coated in this tangy delight. Now, it's time for the veggies. Add thinly sliced green onions, finely chopped celery, and a quarter cup of fresh chopped parsley. Season the mixture with salt and black pepper, and if you're feeling adventurous, consider adding a dash of Old Bay or Cajun seasoning. Mix everything together until the ingredients are evenly distributed. Once mixed, cover your bowl with plastic wrap and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a depth and complexity that will tantalize your taste buds. When it's time to serve, line a platter or plates with fresh lettuce leaves. Spoon your chilled seafood salad on top. Garnish with additional chopped parsley or green onions if you wish. Your southern seafood salad is ready to serve. And remember, for more delicious recipes like this one, be sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon.